Okay, we're here at 3268 Hallview Drive, and we're about to start a repairability test. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, this is the shingle that we've selected. So I'm going to find the edge. And I'm going to mark it. So we're taking care not to damage the shingle as we're trying to locate the edge. Okay, I can already see a little creasing on this shingle here. So again, and it looks like it might tear, and it is tearing as we are trying to locate the edge of this upper shingle. It's not there. Might be there. Okay, very difficult to separate this shingle. But it looks like this is indeed the edge of this damaged shingle. Yep, we see the edge here. Okay, so this is our damaged shingle. So I'm going to mark that real quick. This is the shingle that we're going to remove. Okay? All right. So to the side, again, we're just marking the shingles that might be affected as we're manipulating the shingles above, beside, and below the shingle that we're repairing. So I'm going to mark this as 1. This is 2. This is 3. Excuse me, let me mark it at the end here. 3. This is the shingle that we're removing, so I'm going to mark each tab. And I'm missing tab, so 4. All right. Five, 6, and then Looks like this is 7. Okay. All right, we're gonna have a control shingle. We'll go over here to the side. This shingle is gonna be our control. All right, this shingle will be our control over here. Okay? Okay. All right. Now then, first thing I want to do, okay, this is this shingle, which is damaged. It looks like it's going to tear. Okay. It is tearing. I'm really trying to okay. You can see that we had significant material transfer as we are removing and tearing. All right, guys, this is very much a fail. Okay, here I'm trying to go underneath as gently as I can, and I'm damaging the shingle beneath it. Again, we're trying to use as much care as we can, but you can see this shingle is just disintegrating. Okay, there. All right, so again, very difficult to remove the shingle. But let's see. Okay, that one went a little better. Okay. Still material transfer. Actually hitting the nail here. And we have a failure again of the shingle above. Okay. This is the shingle I'm removing. Okay, guys, this is definitely a fail. There's no way I can get underneath this. It is tearing. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, so I think we can now get at the nail. All right, I believe we have one more nail. Trying to get through. So we have removed the shingle. Place it over here for now. And now we'll put the new shingle in. Okay. First thing I want to note is the material transfer on the shingle that I am okay. This one did pretty good, but it was already missing. So, all right. So I want to show you the material transfer underneath tab A and tab B of the shingle that we removed. Okay, and what does that mean? That means that shingle 1 beneath has been damaged. Okay. Shingle 2 seems to be okay. Okay, but shingle 1 was definitely damaged. Shingle 3 seems to be okay. And shingle 4 not sure if that was damaged during the process. Okay, shingle 5 you can see was very torn up during the removal process, and shingle 6 seems to be okay. Shingle 7, we're going to see what happens as we go through putting in the new shingle. Okay? Okay. All right, now we want to find those old nails, pull them up. Okay. It's an old nail. Now okay, kind of a concern there that there were only 2 nails, but all right, so let's try to get this underneath. We're sliding the new shingle up. Okay. We have it in position, so let's try and put a few nails in. Okay, again, we have tearing on the shingle above where the replacement is going in. We'll get our last nail in. Okay. All right. So our new shingle is in. All right. What I want to note is significant tearing on the shingles above to put the replacement shingle in. Okay, let's go to our control. Okay, I'm just gonna brush lightly. You can see, not seeing a lot of granular loss, just some. Okay. So that was our control. All right, I'm coming back to shingle number 1. All right, and we already noted the material damage, material transfer in shingle number 1. Okay, on 2 of the tabs, The third tab was already missing, so we don't see any material transfer there. All right, so shingle number 1, significant damage to the shingle. All right, this was shingle number 2. No damage here. No damage here because this tab was already missing, so nothing was done during the repair process. Okay. All right. Shingle number 3. To the side. We didn't have to manipulate it too much, so I don't see any damage to shingle number 3. Okay, obviously the shingle that we put in. Shingle number 4 to the other side. There may have been some damage here to this area right here. I'll have to look at my before pictures. Otherwise, shingle number 4 does not appear to have incurred any damage. All right, shingle number 5. Okay, shingle number 5 was damaged significantly. All right, we can see a crease, some tearing as the shingle was brought off, some more tearing, and some more tearing. So, shingle number 5, above the shingle, significant damage. Okay. Okay, shingle number 6 did tear as we were manipulating it, and it looks like it also creased. Okay, so this is shingle number 6, and you can see that the tab that was manipulated was significantly damaged. Okay, and then finally shingle number 7. Okay, I'm looking to see if we got any creasing. It does not appear to be, so shingle number 7 seems to be in okay shape. Okay, so shingle 1, 4, 5, and 6 were damaged in this repair. So we're going to say that this is a fail. 4 of 7 shingles were damaged. that's the end of this video.